What's up everyone, Josh Quinones here. So I had the opportunity to check out TCL's new XL series of TVs while at CES, and I gotta say, I was blown away. These TVs are TCL fully integrated, meaning everything was TCL built, and they are also powered by Google. These TVs will range from 85 inches to 98 inches, and the one we are looking at here is the 98-inch 4K QLED TV. And check it out. Pricing starts at under $8,000 for the biggest one, meaning the smaller ones are even more affordable. And TCL has always been known for bringing great quality product at an affordable price. But starting off with overall picture quality, I think it looks great. We get a nice, super crisp look with nice, vibrant colors. I mean, they really pop out at you, but not in a bad way, and the blacks are super black as well. But looking at this TV just gives you that wow factor because of how huge it is. And I mean, I would not mind putting this in my own living room. Now, when it comes to overall design, we get that full view edge-to-edge glass. Pretty slim for a 98-inch TV as well. As you can see, the TV does come with legs on each side of the TV, but of course, you can also mount this baby up for a cleaner look. Now, what's really cool is when you go to the back, the TV has a built-in subwoofer. This is nice, especially when you don't have a soundbar. You'll still get some good sound with the built-in speakers, but also be able to hear and feel some of that bass, especially when you're watching action movies. Now, when it comes to connections, we get, of course, the power input, 3 HDMI connections, 2 USB inputs, a cable connection, an AV in adapter, an audio out, and an optical input as well. But overall, if you're looking for a big, and I mean huge, well-built TV, this 98-inch 4K QLED TV from TCL is definitely a great choice. Like I said, the picture quality is absolutely amazing. Now, this is not a full review, just a quick first look. Hopefully, I will be able to get one in for review, but we'll just have to wait and see about that. But if you do find yourself interested and want to check one out for yourself, I have a link down in the description below. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comments. Are you ready to go bigger when it comes to your TV in your home? Thank y'all so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.